our leads and to potential customers that, well, it works. So we have installed 3,450 optical connectors. Failures in 3 years were 0. 1,725 monitoring models on optical fiber to communicate data on the serviceability of ground lights. The failure was in 3 years the 2%. And considering the comparison with power line communication, we are very, very satisfied with it. Just consider that optical fiber communication, of course, we can all understand and appreciate the kind of advantages and benefits that it can offer. Power line communication was born 40 years ago. So I think we have the proof, and it's time to change. And this is the innovation that it is available. And we have also detected that on around, let's say, 6,000 optical fiber segments, we are at no failure, not a single one. So this is in perspective of a low fixed maintenance cost, no cost for useless spare parts that are crowding the warehouses, easy operations, plug-and-play connectors so that our operators can safely operate on ground with in a very efficient way, reducing timing, reducing night operations, for example. There are, of course, other advantages also in terms of sustainability. If I have to communicate data through power line, I have to boost energy. Instead, if we communicate through optical fiber, I just send data through lights. So we have a decrease in energy consumption, which is very, very impressive. So I see the possibility of great synergies among manufacturers, among providers, among design companies and engineering companies and airports and traffic management. So I see this as an opportunity to prepare ourselves to be resilient and to be, let's say, prepared and resilient to future shocks, and makes the infrastructure of the future. The infrastructure of the future will be a self-sustaining one, with low maintenance costs and low interventions as far as possible. We will have lots of saving that we can implement and allocate in our other budgets and allow the airport's infrastructure to survive. Of course, we have always leaned on passenger flow incomes. Of course, they are our customers. But we have to learn the lesson. And we have to seize this occasion to recover and to rehabilitate our airfield and our airports, generally speaking, cooperating, as we said, not just at the end of the process. For us as well, it is very important to have contacts with the designing companies, but with the engineering department of the airport as well. This is the issue that I'm facing, because in order to show how efficient is the system, how it is sustainable, I have first to explain the system to the designer, right? Then comes the obstacle of the other manufacturers. But of course we are integrable. So I say, it does not matter who is delivering you the lights, because I don't care. I'm compatible. I don't care who is delivering you the CCR units, and this must be perceived as an advantage for the future as well, because the airport must have the freedom to choose the suppliers and to mix them up. Let's say it's a rule that we have studied when we were studying marketing, for example, and contracts and agreements, let's say, dynamic.